What's up guys, TBK here from Name Tutorials team, and I warmly welcome you into this video. So if you're looking or if you're wondering what bank does Chime use to offer its banking services, you've landed on the right video, as I will be showing you the banks that Chime partners with to offer the banking services you see in the Chime app. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. There is a simple way to find out what bank Chime partners with to offer its banking services, and if you've visited the Chime website before, you must have probably noticed it but didn't take a great attention or put a great attention to that. So if you check the bottom page of the Chime website, if you visit the Chime website and check the bottom of the page, you'll see this little message right on the bottom. So you see Chime is a financial technology company, not a bank. Banking services provided by the Bancorp Bank NA or Stride Bank NA members FDIC. Okay, so this already shows the banks that Chime partners with to offer its banking services. Okay, so to even confirm this, you can just make a good use of Google. Okay, so let's say you come to Google and then you search for what bank does Chime use, just as so. You will see a first result from Chime. Okay, so what is Chime? Is Chime a bank? Just click on that. And then on this page here, you just want to scroll all the way to this interesting section. So what bank does Chime use? Chime is not a bank but a financial technology company. Here they precise exactly the banks that they partner with. So we partner with the Bancorp Bank NA and Stride Bank members FDIC, which are both FDIC insured. Okay, so you don't know the meaning of FDIC insurance. It's just a coverage that covers your funds up to $250 in case of any bankruptcy or something that might cause the bank to crash or go to the bottom. So your funds will be secured with Chime, as they have partnered with these major banking partners. Okay, and one thing that you need to know is that Chime is not the one that holds or manages your funds. Okay, these banks do, because they are the ones that provide the savings and checking accounts that you have with your Chime account. Okay, so Chime does provide the technology that will support the banking services that will be offered by this bank institution. Okay, so let me say Chime is just the interface and layout provider through which these banks offer their banking services. All right, you can consider Chime to be that. So those are just the easier ways to find out what bank Chime uses. Okay, and if you want a more detailed understanding on how these banks offer the banking services, or what banking services in Chime do each of these banks offer, you can check the link in the video description, as I've explained everything in that resource. Okay, so you want to check the video description to not miss anything out. Okay, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss upcoming content. Okay, and you can also check out more Chime guides from the video description, as you find important resources from there as well. I catch you in the next episode.